Hi there, my name is Alvaro. Last week I was able to pass the PTE exam with a perfect score of 490s. Last year I already tried with IELTS. However, although scoring an average of 8, my writing was 7.5. The reason of doing PTE was to obtain the required marks for Immigration Australia. From the beginning, Alex was very honest with me. In total, getting my perfect score required me 3 weeks of intense study and at least a week in between just to rest. During the intense week, I would study at least 3 hours after work each day, more on weekends. It was very exhausting. To be honest, I wasn't sure I was going to achieve this score, as I completely missed one of the key tasks, one of the right from dictations where you are given points both in listening and in writing. Alex was at the other side of the WhatsApp line motivating me, which was very nice. As for reading, this is normally the weakness of most test takers, or that's what Alex told me. This wasn't the case for me, as I've been reading The Economist for more than 7 years. All in all, I would recommend following Alex's tips regarding when will you be ready to take the exam and what score you will get. All in all, good luck for future test takers.